In the Russian language, the possessive pronoun my agree in gender with a noun that comes after. The form мой is used for masculine nouns, моя for feminine nouns, and моё for neuter ones. To denote the gender of the nouns, look at the last letter or letters of the word. The endings to denote masculine nouns are a consonant, for example, стул, soft y, for example, музей. Feminine nouns usually end in a, for example, книга, я, for example, кухня, и я, for example, лекция. The endings to denote neuter nouns are о, окно, е, море, мя, время, ие, здание. There are also some exceptions that will be reviewed in some upcoming lessons. And now let's see the examples. Дом, a masculine noun. Это мой дом. Рабочее место. Место is a neuter noun. For example, это мое рабочее место. Семья is a feminine noun. Это моя семья.